Yo, Romelius.
What's good, Bayvon?
Hey, I got a poppin' beat.
What we gonna rap about?
To Kill a Mockingbird.
What?
I finna call Lumucci. See you soon.
Nacho, 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 Nacho.
Hey, my name is Atticus, they call me Old One Shot. When I aim my gun, you know there is only one thought. I'm always on that grind, always making that dough. Who's the best lawyer? You should already know. Left my plantation to start a new life. Never expected the death of my wife. When it comes to defending cases, I don't mess around. All I need is one shot, just ask the hound. Killer man, yes, the killer man, shot a man short his lifespan.
If not shot, would've got caught by the Ku Klux Klan. Wasn't recorded by the newsman.
Killer man, yeah, the killer man, war zone out there, Afghanistan.
Blacks being treated less than a trash can. Death couldn't hold their attention span.
Yet they were still worried about Boo the Boogeyman.
Name is Jean Louise and they calling me Scout. Talk bad about my daddy and you'll be laid out. Overalls are Gucci, pocket watch a Rollie. They gave me a smoochie, the bars are spit on holy. I hate dresses, they still Versace. I stay finessing, don't try cross me.
Killer man, it's the killer man, shot a man short his lifespan. If not shot, would've got caught by the Ku Klux Klan, thinking he a con man. Killer man, yeah, the killer man, like a war zone, Afghanistan, fighting war like Iran. Jerry showing no mercy, man was a handyman. They still worried about Boo the Boogeyman. What's poppin'? The nicknames still get away from me. I'm busy making bills, and for the record, in case it was pondered, Scout's my girl, so you can say water. Suspend on mine, I'm freaking out. There's only one thing that I can think about. Just a man trying to be polite, but in situations that's just downright tragic, where he's framed something graphic, but in fact he was just being Catholic.
Nacho, 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 Nacho.
I can't understand why I treat a black man like a pig in the sty. His frames in a pig's eye, man is as gentle as a butterfly. Never heard a fly, thought it hit the mind, then I realized all of these men will just lie, turn a blind eye, leave him out to dry. All I'm gonna do is cry, I'm just a kid, I gotta shut my lid. Not anymore, I'll start my own war.
Sadly, this story's an all too common one. This one, however, was about me, Tom Robinson. Did nothing wrong, I was just being polite, and it ended up costing me my life. Ripped away from my kids and wife to be killed by some racist stripe.